Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cube to become a sphere in Blender 4.2. And start from now, I'm going to show you all the step-by-step how to make this. Now you can see this is an animation that's created by me, a really simple animation to just transform a cube to become a sphere, and it is going to become a cube later. Okay, from the cube to become a sphere, and from the sphere to become a cube. So I'm going to show you all the step-by-step. Alright, now everything start from beginning. This is a fresh new Blender file, a Blender project file. First step, just click the empty area and press A and delete everything. Next, just add a mesh, add a cube. This cube, you must go to the edit mode and just right click subdivide here a few times like this. Then after that, you can add, just back to the object mode, just add a sphere, a UV sphere. It should be at the center, at the center of the cube. Then click the cube, select the cube, go to the modifier, add a modifier here, search for wrap, search, then select Shrinkwrap. The Shrinkwrap, choose the target, choose the sphere. Then after that, click here, just apply as shape key. Then next step, you can just click the sphere and delete the sphere. So now click and select the cube, go to the shape key. Here you can see a Shrinkwrap, just rename the Shrinkwrap to become sphere. Now just look at the shape key. You can use the shape key to transform the cube to become the sphere. So how to create the animations on it? First, just click the value, click here to make a keyframe. After a few moments, click one more time to make another keyframe. Then after that, after a few moments, just drag the value to become 1 and create the keyframe. And after a few moments, create a keyframe again, then play. Make it 0 again, create a keyframe. After that, create another keyframe. Now try to play the whole animations keyframe. You can see this is the 3D animations to transform the sphere to become the cube. It is really easy in this way, and you can render it as 3D animations. And that's all for today about my tutorials on how to transform a cube to become a sphere. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings on 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. See you.